If you're in the middle of potty training your little one, you know how challenging it can be to find the right potty seat. The wrong one can result in discomfort for your child and frustration for you. So today, I'm going to take you through 7 of the best baby potty training seats, each designed to make this transition as smooth and comfortable as possible for both you and your child. And don't worry, I've included links in the description below so you can check prices or buy the one that suits you best. Starting with the Newbie My Real Potty. One of the biggest challenges in potty training is getting your child to move away from diapers and start using a regular toilet. The Newbie My Real Potty is fantastic because it mimics the design of an actual toilet, which helps your child feel like they are using the real thing. The flushable handle even makes a realistic sound, so your child gets used to the entire process. Plus, it comes with a removable pot that makes cleaning incredibly easy. This is great if you're looking for a potty that gives a real-world experience, encouraging a faster transition to an adult toilet. Another great benefit of these potty training seats is that they are all designed with parents in mind, making cleanup quick and easy. Whether it's a removable bowl or a simple wipe-clean surface, you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time celebrating your child's progress. Next is the Summer My Sis Potty Pro. This model is another that offers the realistic look of a full-size toilet, which can be a key motivator for your child. However, what makes it stand out is the built-in wipe dispenser, which helps reinforce the importance of hygiene. The flush handle produces a rewarding sound, adding an element of fun to every flush. It's compact and sturdy, making it a great option for smaller bathrooms or even for keeping in multiple rooms of the house. Parents appreciate how closely it resembles an actual toilet, and children enjoy the familiarity and ease of use. Many of these models also come with built-in splash guards, which are particularly handy if you're training a little boy and want to avoid any extra messes. Moving on, we have the Rabb First Potty Seat. This seat offers a more traditional potty training design, but adds thoughtful features that make a huge difference. The soft cushioned seat provides extra comfort, so if your child tends to resist sitting for long periods, this could help them feel more at ease. It also comes with built-in handles on the sides, giving your child extra security and stability while they sit. One of its best features is that it's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for families who travel or move frequently between rooms. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to the removable tray. It's also worth noting that most of these seats are lightweight, so you can easily move them from room to room if needed. Now, let's talk about the Munchkin Sturdy Potty Seat. One of the main challenges with potty training is getting your child to use the same toilet you do, which can be intimidating for them. This Munchkin seat is designed to be placed directly on a regular toilet seat, making the adult toilet less scary. Its non-slip edges help it stay securely in place, and the contoured design ensures that your child is both comfortable and safe. A splash guard is also included, which is particularly useful if you're potty training a boy. It's easy to clean, compact for storage, and a great option if you want to skip the separate potty altogether and get your child comfortable with the adult toilet from the start. If your child is hesitant to start potty training, incorporating fun elements like sounds, designs, or their favorite colors can be a game changer. For those who want an integrated solution, the built-in potty training seat is a great option. This clever product combines a standard toilet seat with a smaller, child-sized seat that flips down when needed. It's especially convenient for households where space is tight, as you won't need a separate potty. The built-in design also encourages your child to transition smoothly to using the regular toilet, as they'll already be familiar with sitting on it. The smaller seat is perfect for toddlers, and when it's not in use, it flips up, so adults can use the toilet comfortably. This option is practical, long-lasting, and blends seamlessly with your bathroom decor. The transition from diapers to the potty doesn't have to be stressful. In fact, with the right seat, it can become a rewarding milestone for both of you. If you're a family on the go, the folding travel jewel potty seat is a must-have. This portable potty seat is perfect for taking with you when traveling or visiting family and friends. It folds up into a compact size that fits easily into a diaper bag, so you can carry it anywhere without hassle. Despite its lightweight design, it's surprisingly sturdy when in use, with grips that prevent it from sliding on the toilet seat. It's designed to fit most standard toilet seats, and it's easy to clean, which is a lifesaver when you're out and about. Whether you're running errands or going on a long trip, this travel-friendly potty seat ensures that potty training doesn't have to take a break. Many parents find that having 2 seats, one for home and one for travel, can help maintain consistency no matter where you are. Finally, there's the race car training potty, which adds an element of fun to potty training. If your child is fascinated by cars, this could be the perfect potty seat to grab their attention. The race car design makes it look more like a toy, which can help reduce any anxiety your child might have about potty training. It features a built-in splash guard and a removable bowl for easy cleaning. The seat is low to the ground, making it easy for toddlers to sit on and get up from by themselves, which is great for promoting independence. It's perfect for kids who might be a bit resistant to potty training, as it turns the process into something more playful and enjoyable. A familiar seat helps ease anxiety, making the process smoother even in unfamiliar environments. Additionally, most of these potty seats are designed to grow with your child, adjusting to their changing needs as they gain confidence and independence. These seats are built to make the transition from diapers to potty training smoother and more comfortable for both the parent and child. Many of them include features such as soft cushions, splash guards, and easy-to-clean surfaces, ensuring both convenience and hygiene. Some models even come with fun colors and designs, making the process more engaging for your little one. Remember, every child progresses at their own pace, so it's important to remain patient and encouraging throughout the journey. Keeping a positive attitude will help your child feel more comfortable and less stressed during training. Ultimately, the goal is to create a positive experience that leads to long-term success, and the right potty training seat can play a pivotal role in achieving that. A successful transition often depends on providing a seat that your child feels secure using, which encourages them to take ownership of their progress. With so many great options available, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your child and lifestyle. Each of these products has been designed to make this developmental stage easier, and having the right tools will set your child up for success. It's important to invest in a high-quality seat that combines comfort, safety, and durability to ensure the best potty training experience. To wrap things up, each of these potty training seats offers something unique, from realistic designs that make your child feel like they're using a real toilet to travel-friendly options that keep you on track wherever you go. Some seats even feature built-in sound effects to reward your child for their progress, adding an element of fun to the learning process. If you want something that closely mimics the adult experience, the Newbie My Real Potty and Summer My Sis Potty Pro are excellent choices. For a comfortable and portable option, the Rabb First Potty Seat and Folding Travel Jewel Potty Seat will make your life easier. Meanwhile, if you're looking to integrate potty training directly into your regular bathroom routine, the built-in potty training seat is a smart solution. And for those with kids who love cars, the race car training potty is sure to bring excitement to the process. I hope this comparison helps you find the perfect potty seat for your child's needs. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to potty training, and the right seat can make all the difference. As your child begins to master potty training, using a seat that feels familiar and safe can boost their confidence tremendously. Feel free to check the links in the description to get more details or purchase the one that best suits your family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another update. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your potty training journey.